us into dragons.
Baby.
High chair.
Baby things.
High chair. High chair. Do you sit in a high chair when you are eating? Rattle. Rattle. Mark shakes rattles with both of his hands. Milk bottle. Milk bottle. Would you like to drink milk from a milk bottle? Teddy bear.
Teddy bear.
Jane loves to play with her teddy bear. What about you? High chair.
High chair.
Rattle.
Rattle.
Milk bottle.
Milk bottle. Teddy bear. Teddy bear.
Or. Us. If. Us. Or. If.
It. Do. He.
Actions.
Hug. Hug.
Hug.
The girl hugs a teddy bear in her arms.
Clap.
Clap. Clap. Can you clap your hands?
Cry. Cry.
Cry.
We shed tears when we cry.
Sleep.
Sleep. Sleep. When we feel tired, we go to sleep.
Hug.
Hug. Clap. Clap.
Cry.
Cry. Sleep. Sleep.
D. 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 E. S. K. Desk. 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 D. I. G. Dig. 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 Dog. Dog. Dog.
Words start with D.
Did.
Dive.
Door.
Doll. Desk.
Deck.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
That's right.
High chair.
Choose the picture that goes with the word. Great job!
Milk bottle.
Choose the picture that goes with the word.
Awesome!
Teddy bear.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Try again.
You did it! Clap.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Great job!
Rattle.
Choose the word that goes with the picture.
Try again. You did it!
Cry.
Can you pick out?
Do. Try again. You did it!
Can you? Fantastic.
Can you pick out?
It.
Good try. Try again.
Good try. Try again.
Fantastic.
Hooray! You finished the lesson.